crap. That's a gigantic fidget spinner. I am going to get Julie Turok, and I'm going to show her this. Julie Turok, look, it's a gigantic fidget spinner. Oh my gosh, it's huge. I know, right? And do you know what we are going to do with this fidget spinner? We are going to use it to execute Bodge, since he sucks super ultra hard. Ha 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 ha. I'm going to get him. Be right back, Julie. Bodge, I have a gift for you. Really? Shopkins Pesky, the Emoji Blitz Princess? You actually do have a gift for me? Of course. I am getting pretty sick and tired of abusing you and grounding you for so many crappy reasons. So, I am going to give you a gift for the first time. And I promise I will not punish you ever again. Shopkins Pesky, the Emoji Blitz Princess? You are actually not joking? You are never ever ever gonna ground me or abuse me or punish me ever again? Yep, come on, Bodge, let's go. Your gift is waiting for you. Gift, 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 yay! A giant fidget spinner. It's all yours, Bodge. And here's another thing, Bodge. Die! Ow, 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 it hurts so bad. Wow, 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 hurts, hurts, hurts. Wow, 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 wow. Why did you do this to me, Shopkins Pesky, the Emoji Blitz Princess? Okay, Julie, I'm going to stop the fidget spinner. Is that okay? Okay, Shopkins Pesky, the Emoji Blitz Princess, you can stop the fidget spinner. I'm going to stop the fidget spinner with my leg. Okay, I just stopped the fidget spinner. Let me check the heartbeat to see if he's alive or not. He's dead? Finally, he died. Okay, so now that Bodge has died, let's go to Adventureland to celebrate. Yay, Adventureland!